Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Facebook user messenger problem. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, maybe you have a friend right here. Before you've chatted with them. Now it got a default profile icon and then a message that says Facebook user. So why does that happen? Or why is an account becomes a Facebook user? So number one, the user may have temporarily deactivated their Facebook profile or Messenger account. That's one. Number two, they may have deleted their account. Number three, maybe Meta or Facebook right here have banned or suspended the user for violating policy guidelines. And lastly here, while a standard block usually shows the person's name but bars you from messaging, okay, certain deep privacy blocks or mutual blocks can turn the name into Facebook user. Do keep that in mind. Now, since you cannot force someone else's profile to reappear, use these steps to verify what happened and see if a local glitch is causing it. Okay. So if you have a mutual friend, ask a mutual friend to search for the person's profile on Facebook. If a profile is gone for them too, well, the account is deactivated, deleted, or banned. If your friend can see the other person, well, that means you've been blocked. Also ensure that you didn't accidentally block the user yourself. So in Messenger, you can go ahead over to menu and then just go ahead over to settings. Now let's go ahead and find privacy or the privacy section right here, privacy and safety. We can tap on it and then you can go ahead and scroll all the way down and find blocked profiles or restricted profiles. Okay. Check restricted. Make sure you unrestrict them. Also blocked profiles. Make sure that you unblock them. That is it. That's how simple it is to fix Facebook user in Messenger problem. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.